No, that's bad. Do it again. Hello everybody, my name is Dummer and welcome to a video. Yay. Okay, so many of you, I'm gonna show you how many of you I'm talking about. YouTube, come on, you know what I'm talking about. Why I don't use this browser, that's why it's showing that. Okay, so I go to my channel, right? Is this music loud? I don't know. I love this music. Just go listen to it. Okay, I go to this video. I go down here and scroll. Okay, it worked for him. Oh, he says it doesn't work. He says it doesn't work. He says it doesn't work. He says it's work. Did all of them? It's not working. Lie to us. It works, but it plays at demo world. No, it only plays as demo world because sometimes Minecraft automatically sets your account as player. You gotta go to the accounts and change it. For example, let me go to Minecraft. Let's launch Minecraft, right? If you log in with an alt account, right now it's not working for me as well. Sometimes it does not work. Authentication servers are down or something like that. You gotta go to settings. Okay, first this is your home page. You gotta go to settings, accounts, and here you have to choose your alt account if it's actually working. If it's not working, well, I cannot fix that, but I can show you another way that you can play Minecraft, and I am not lying. I'm pretty sure you cannot go to Hypixel, but you can play with your friends, you can play with yourself, you can add mods, and it's awesome. Okay, it's awesome. So I'm gonna show you. Just open any browser. This is completely legal. Nothing's gonna happen to you. Okay, search TL. If it doesn't work, then just type in the whole word Tlauncher. Just type it in. It's pretty easy. Click the first link that pops up. It's tlauncher.org. I'm gonna put this same thing in the link just because some of you don't want to watch all of this. How long has it been? 2 minutes. So yeah, then this is gonna pop up. I'm gonna download it for you. I already have it downloaded, but who the hell cares? I'm gonna delete it after it. So just click download TL. Choose your platform. You're using Linux. Who the hell uses Linux? If you're a coder, then you're using it, but forget about it. I use Windows, of course, so click Windows. You can play this on Mac, anything. In Chromebooks, hell yeah, this everything. Dude, I already clicked it. Okay, it's downloading it. I clicked open, so it's gonna open the file for me. Okay, click continue, agree with the terms and services, continue, ready to install, and it's gonna start installing. Right? It's gonna take a few. Shut up for a second, please. Okay, it's gonna take a few seconds. Click continue. You can choose it or not. It doesn't matter. Just keep on going with it, like continue the flow. This is gonna happen every time you open Tlauncher. That's what's gonna happen. This is the page. You cannot make it full screen. Who the hell wants it to be full screen? So I already have my account. If you don't have an account, what you gotta do is come over here and click sign up. So it's not that difficult. Come on, just put some password, email, I'm not a robot, sign up, and that's it. If I log in my email address, I'm gonna blur this out because I don't want you spamming mail to me, even if there are not that many people. I need to blur this out. I'm pretty sure. Okay, I will. It's not I'm pretty sure, I will do it. So this is my account. I can add some skins. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys this. So a good place to get a skin is Noah skin. I don't know, I use it, I love it. So it's pretty easy. You just pick any sample, pick this, and then you like add it, like you change the color, then you make designs like that, and then it's cool, right? It's just you can do anything with it. It's just awesome. There's so many templates you can choose from here. Okay, that's Hercules right there. You can choose anything. What the hell is that? Something? Whoa, what the hell is this? Okay, whatever. So it's pretty awesome. Just go ahead. There are millions and millions of like thingies you can choose. Nope. Oh, go listen to this song. It's pretty awesome. Okay. Then what happens when you download thingy? you have to go over here and configure account, and you gotta add your account if you don't have it. Okay, I already have it in here, so I don't have to do that. So go back to the main screen, come on. Okay, it's gonna open up. So okay, you got it here. It tells you whatever you have as the, wait, you got amethyst in 1.17? Dude, no way, I didn't know that. Okay, see, you got all the new stuff that got added in the snapshots. It comes here every day, everything. And if you need mods, just click here. Just click here, it's gonna open up TL mods section. Come on, hey dude, open up the TL mods. Yeah, okay, it's right here. It has all mods. Like, you don't even have to open CurseForge and download all that stuff. No, it just has all mods. You need a Pixelmon mod, just search Pixel, got it. The Pixelmon mod, Pixelmon server pack, Pixelmon generation, Senpai Pixel, what? Senpai Pixelmon, Pixelmon Go, PvP pack, Pixelmon Yo. It has everything. You want to create yourself mod pack? You can create yourself mod pack. You need a resource pack? You have resource pack. You need maps? It's here. You need shader packs? Everything is here. And the good thing is you can make a server and play in it. Well, you cannot join Hypixel, I'm pretty sure, but you can play with your friends. And I'm gonna show you how to make a free server in the next video, but this is just awesome. Now I'm choosing 1.16.5. Can we take snapshots? Oh, it doesn't have snapshots. Oh, but you get the info though, and that's all you need. I have mods installed in here, like shaders and Sky Factory and Pixelmon, all because I used to use this every single time. Like, most of my videos are from Tlauncher. If you see it, it is Tlauncher. Okay, so I click enter the game. It's gonna say this version has been updated to the server strongly, whatever. Just click yes, just go with the flow. It's gonna do the thing, whatever it has to do. It's not gonna take much time. You're downloading the files again, dude. You did that last time. Okay, it only happens once. It only happens once. What am I talking about? Yes, set your skin. Okay, why it's showing that installing for me? Because I re-downloaded Tlauncher, that's why it's showing for me. But if for you, it's not going to do that. Okay, it's running it. It's not going to take much time. Oh, look at my doggies, they're really cute, right? Yeah, the right one's Rhyme, the left one's Ruby, left one's 11 years and stopped, and right one's 2 years and going. Okay, got it. See, Minecraft's up. I did not pause the video. I have not done nothing. This is the Minecraft that would open normally. I can show you guys that. Like, if I open normal Minecraft launcher, and then this thing closes, and then this thing opens up. Like, it's actually like Minecraft. Like, I don't think I can go to Hypixel. I'm pretty sure I cannot. Wait, open up. Come on. Can I join Hypixel? See, I cannot. That's the only problem, but I can play with my friends. I can do single player worlds. You even have the worlds from the other Minecraft, so that's pretty awesome. Yeah, this is it. And if you want to know how to create Minecraft servers for free, hit the like button. I will do that next time. And if it works, if Tlauncher works for you as well and you like it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because it helps a lot. Okay, so yeah, see you guys in the next episode, I guess. Oh, should I do the Jack outro? Nah, this time it's a cool video. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.